Welcome to our comprehensive review of the SYLVOX Outdoor TV, 75-inch Smart QLED TV. Today, we explore the features and capabilities that make this outdoor television an exceptional choice for your outdoor entertainment needs. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. The SYLVOX Outdoor TV features a 75-inch QLED display with 4K UHD resolution, delivering stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. Designed for outdoor use, it boasts a high brightness of 2000 nits, making it sunlight readable even in bright outdoor environments. Whether you're watching movies, sports events, or gaming, the TV ensures an immersive viewing experience. Built to withstand outdoor conditions, the SYLVOX TV is IP55 rated for water and dust resistance. It can withstand rain, humidity, and extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions. The durable construction and weatherproof design make it ideal for outdoor spaces such as patios, gardens, or commercial settings. Equipped with built-in speakers, the SYLVOX Outdoor TV delivers clear and powerful audio without the need for external speakers. The integrated sound system enhances your viewing experience, providing immersive sound quality for movies, music, and outdoor gatherings. As a commercial-grade smart TV, the SYLVOX Outdoor TV offers a range of smart features. It supports streaming apps, allowing you to access your favorite content directly on the TV. Connectivity options include HDMI ports, USB inputs, and Wi-Fi, providing flexibility to connect external devices and accessories. The TV's sleek design complements outdoor aesthetics, with a slim profile and minimal bezels that maximize the viewing area. It can be wall-mounted or placed on a stand, offering flexibility in installation. Setup is straightforward, and the TV is designed for easy operation and maintenance in outdoor environments. Additional features include HDR support for enhanced contrast and brightness, ensuring vivid and lifelike images. The SYLVOX Outdoor TV also includes a weatherproof remote control, designed to withstand outdoor conditions while providing convenient control over TV settings and functions. In conclusion, the SYLVOX Outdoor TV, 75-inch Smart QLED TV, stands out as a robust and feature-rich choice for outdoor entertainment. With its 4K UHD display, high brightness, weatherproof design, and built-in speakers, it offers exceptional visual and audio performance in outdoor settings. Whether you're hosting outdoor events, watching sports games, or relaxing in your backyard, this TV enhances your outdoor entertainment experience with durability, reliability, and smart functionality.